Come on in. Good morning. Say hi.
Hi.
Say, my name's Avery.
Happy.
Say, Avery.
Happy.
Avery. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Alondra. If you guys are not new here, welcome back. Today is Friday. My daughter did wake up a little extra early today. She normally wakes up around like 9:30. This time she woke up at 8:30. So we're gonna go ahead and make her breakfast. She already drank her milk. I need to get her ready for the day just because I have a lot to do. So today I'm gonna go ahead and cook some rice, maybe clean the bathrooms, or clean the bathroom, and yeah. Say good morning.
Morning.
Say buenos dias. Say my name's Avery. Say tengo dos años. Say dos. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Dos. Yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and do that right now. Te voy a hacer tu pelo. ¿Sí? Te voy a hacer tu pelo. Te vamos a quitar tus pijamas. ¿Sí? Te vamos a quitar tus pijamas. Te vamos a cambiar. Yes. Y Daniel, ¿vas a comer?
Daddy.
Y sí. Candy, no. I can eat candy. She's over here saying that she's gonna eat candy, but
Candy.
almuerzo.
Mother.
Yeah, vamos a comer. ¿Quieres huevito? Yeah?
Last.
¿Sí?
See?
Okay. Can I get a high five? Chocolate?
Down. Down. Down.
Oh, down low? Too slow. Down low? Too slow. Down low? Ah, you got it. Let me see. High five?
Down. Down. Down.
Down low. Too slow. Oh, too slow. Okay, no papa, okay? Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get our morning started. Say bye.
Bye. Dada.